Nice trigger there. Just grabbed a quick 20-cent profit on some, just so I can't lose. SPY strong. Hopefully we get through the high of the day here now. Gonna protect the rest. Alright guys, showing Facebook here, FB, excuse me, just broke the early high of the day. Nice volume. You're getting a clean pullback to the 5.8. Plus kind of the breakout area. It had trouble with 28.40 most of the day. So you're getting a pullback. Look at the daily. You have the red candle here. You got the RBI, the red bar ignored. Plus you've got the break of 28 today. So it's an interesting daily chart for sure. And earnings are behind you now. So it's interesting here. I like this pullback. Kind of hoping to get it at 28.40 with an arbitrary maybe 20-cent stop, something like that. Anyway, keep your eyes on that one. Okay guys, this morning I just thought I would make a quick snapshot of one of my calls in real time to show you what it looks like in the chat room. And now they actually, let's see, the market just closed 2 minutes ago and I'm trying to pick it back up here. So this is what WDC looked like right after. We called it long, basically right there as you saw in the video. And then it did hold the stop. I can't tell you that I held it all day. I sold most into this spike and then back down, but we did eventually get a high of day break later with it holding the stop. So it ended up being, you know, a pretty nice trade. Then I'll quickly use this this video too to talk about. I posted on StockTwits. Watch JC Penney's for volume. It's at the high of the day here. We'll enter at 1674 if it gets there with a dime stop. And then somebody replied. I'll just read it. I don't want to put the StockTwits window up there, but. Somebody replied, GSP, talking to me, wait, question mark, are you bullish at 1674, question mark, question mark, seriously, question mark. So I just wanted to explain it. My thinking was JCPenney's, for one, had this big pop the other day, and then 3 days down on lower volume, and a lot of shorts, and so I liked it as a potential long today anyway, okay? And so when I posted it, it just broken its, let's see, it just broken its high right there, but only by a penny. And JCPenney's is a name, especially with that daily chart I just showed you, that if it lights up the new highs ticker and can get a few prints, they tend to pile in. And like somebody else alluded to, you know, shorts from today probably have their stops right above there too. Okay, so that I just wanted to make it print a new high of day a few times. Okay, so. Right there, it actually triggered 1674 where I called it, and it didn't do much. We're running out of trading today too, but it went up, you know, about a dime. But it's liquid enough. You know, you can see some of these 5-minute candles. Even this one, 300-something thousand, almost 400,000 shares in 5 minutes. It's liquid enough. You could have had as many shares as you wanted. I think I squeezed, excuse me, I think I squeezed $100 out of that move, so it's no big deal. But I didn't mean it. I don't know how you took it, responding to. On the upside on StockTwits, I didn't mean it as a long-term buy and hold. It was just for a trade, and it worked. Again, it's nothing to brag about, but it worked. All right. Well, you know what I think I'll do? I'll just rip the rest of this video out here. I'll just go ahead and go over all my calls from the day. Actually, I called FIRE on a break of its early high here over 52.05. When it looked like this, and then I realized it only traded like 100,000 on the day, so I just canceled it. But it would have worked. Over 52.05, it went up over a buck from there. But it's just a thinner stock that I realized, so I went ahead and canceled. But that would have worked. WDC 56. I already showed you the WDC call. Never mind. That one worked. Took Facebook. in this flag here. I liked it on every time frame, right around 28.49, 28.50, something like that, with a 20-cent stop, and ended up moving. How high did it go? Over 29. So it was a nice, easy trade for those that hung on to that one. I called AOL, which was breaking out on the daily. I called it over this little tight little base here. The long idea 40.52 with a 40.34 stop. Triggers right here, holds the stop, and then got a nice push later in the day. How high did it go? To 41.25. Also called it long again right over this little narrow candle right here. But not too many took it because people were busy playing with SPWR in the chat room. And some of them made a killing on this volume spike there. So that's a nice benefit of the chat room, is usually somebody posts when you get a spike like SPWR. But I think that was all of my calls for today. The All-Stars were on fire again today as well. But in these videos, I usually go over all of my calls. And I'll leave it at that. Anyway, have a good night, and we'll talk to you guys tomorrow.